in the wake of a tragic earthquake that shook our nation.
At UM6P, we recognize our responsibility to actively contribute to the collective effort to heal Al Hawza's wounds.
Witnessing the devastation, we, the students, carry the responsibility for the world.
This hackathon isn't just a response, it's a commitment to finding solutions for ongoing challenges.
Here at UM6P, our focus is on harnessing our expertise and resources to assist, equip, and empower those tasked with the reconstruction.
We are committed to contribute through advanced solutions and fostering innovative practices that redefine the standards of building and development.
Rebuild program launched by the president of UM6P inspired us, students, to be part of this mission.
The Rebuild Challenge was more than an event. It was a testament to our shared dedication.
If I had to talk about the previous 3 days, I would say that these were the most productive days of my life. This was an amazing opportunity, and I think I've never had the chance to be in such an event. And to be honest, I had the chance to gain new skills and acquire new knowledge, as well as to know how to pitch my ideas, how to express myself and speak up my mind with confidence. The challenge covered 4 main areas. The first one is agriculture, infrastructure, socio-economic growth, and water and energy.
For the in-field experiment, there were a lot of help because we have the skills to develop solutions, but we don't know clearly what the problems in the field. We just have some assumptions. But when we met with the expert in the field, so we knew exactly what problem we should address, and we have to make our solution realizable and exactly target solutions, not just based on our requirements. And the other experts like entrepreneurs, they were helping us to develop clearly our project to be not only a social benefit project, but more of a business project.